Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC is continuing with the plan. We continue to see further price declines. The last update I highlighted that it would be very useful and likely in the current wave count, actually a requirement, to see a low below the 10th of June low, so below 50.6 cents. And this has now been achieved today successfully. And we're coming down in this C wave, right? In this C wave of wave 3. And the projection generally for this move here to the downside is between, let's say, roughly 48 to 47 cents. Yeah? Now, if this is already going to be achieved in the third wave or not is a different question. But overall, for this downside move, as long as we don't see a 5-wave move above resistance, followed by a 3-wave move down, we have to focus further on the downside. There is a possibility that we see a 4th wave rally shortly, and that could get into the region between 51.8 to 55.4 cents. The resistance is quite strong for a wave 4, quite high for a wave 4, but that's because we're dealing with an ending diagonal to the downside. It seems to be unfolding in corrective structures. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 is an ABC. The wave 4 and the wave 5 is likely also going to be an ABC. That's currently the expectation for this wave 5. Yeah? And what do I need to add? Yeah, and we can get away with counting this already as 5 waves in the C wave. So I'd be ready for a potential turning point, temporarily at least. One second. We can also add a trend line now with the latest price action. The trend line, a break of the trend line, will give us a first indication that this 4th wave has started, or maybe even something more bullish is going on. Because remember that all we wanted is a break below the 10th of June low in this scenario. I think it's likely to go down further, but this is now actually where we wanted it. It's 50 cents now. What was a target for the C wave? We can calculate that as well. Target for the C wave, we take the length of the A wave, then we go to the high of the B wave, and the 1-to-1 ratio was at 51 cents. That was broken. The next key target would be the 1.618 extension. That is at 47.3 cents and directly in the target range between 46.5 and 48.6 cents. So at the moment, as long as price is below the trend line, I think we see a more direct continuation to the downside to 48.6 cents next. That's the 78.6 retracement level of the larger cycle. If we see a reaction there, and it's impulsive and goes above resistance, followed by a 3-wave pullback, we might be bullish. However, if the price stays in a corrective fashion and we stay below resistance here, below 55.4 cents, we're probably dealing with just a corrective rally in what I consider a wave 4, and we would then see another move down. This is what I prefer. I prefer the white wave count because it is more in line with what Bitcoin is doing. Yeah, so I don't necessarily think, if you ask for my opinion, I don't necessarily think that the next low here will be the last one. I think there is a good chance for another corrective rally and then another move down here. Yeah, and it could go as low as 41 cents in an overall still bullish scenario. However, looking at the larger cycle, if the price breaks below the 41 cent level, then I think we talk about something more bearish and would then also most likely drop below the June 22 lows around 30 cents. That's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in the membership, you get access to Discord and Telegram, daily market updates or intraday market updates for gold members for various coins. You get access to a Sunday live stream. You get access to a lot of educational material, Elliott wave cheat sheets. Yeah, just check it out. You can find the links in the video description. Would be very happy to see you there. And if you don't want to, no problem, but maybe you can still leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.